Hi everyone, it's Joe from WHR Marketing, and today we are announcing the $5,000 software giveaway as part of our channel launch. All you need to do is subscribe to our channel and submit your entry in the link in the description. There's a 1 in 20 chance to win one of our lead generation software licenses worth over $100 each. So you'll be able to get tons of leads for yourself or start your own lead generation business, providing tons of leads for businesses and clients, charging anywhere between $100 to $3,000 per client. So why should you subscribe to our channel? At WHR, our aim is to provide you with the knowledge and skills on how to make money online, whether you're at an ideas phase, side hustle, or ready to quit your full-time job and live the financial freedom lifestyle. Believe me, we've been through all of these stages and know exactly what you're going through at each stage of the journey. Whether you are interested in affiliate marketing, passive income, dropshipping, e-commerce, or selling software or services online, we have it covered and will provide you with the knowledge and tools to succeed online. We'll be publishing product reviews on the best free and paid tools to help you grow online, as well as providing you with the knowledge on how to do SEO properly, run social media campaigns, pay-per-clicks, backlinks, all using real-life case studies involving my own businesses. After finally cracking the code and making money online, after failing on numerous occasions along the way, it's time to share our knowledge and create a community, a family of like-minded people striving for financial freedom from around the world. We love to help people grow their online hustle, so please leave questions in the comment sections of our videos as we take pride in helping people succeed online. So subscribe to our channel and enter our $5,000 lead generation software giveaway now. It's free to enter. Please let us know when we've helped you become more successful online. It's what we're passionate about. I'm Joe from WHR Marketing, and we look forward to welcoming you to the WHR family.